Let's take a look at the Presidio 2 grip for the iPhone 14 Pro from Speck. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Presidio 2 grip from Speck for the iPhone 14 Pro. Now this case is rated for 13 feet drop protection, microbrand antibacterial coating, and it does have that Presidio 2 Armor Cloud drop shock absorption inside the case, so you are going to be protected when you use the Presidio 2 case. Let's go ahead and take a look at this nice case. Very soft touch. There are multiple colors. I like this bronzy color inside, and then the buttons are that color as well as the corners, so it gives you a nice accent there. Goes very good. Let's grab this dummy iPhone. Now this does have MagSafe, so you are designed for the MagSafe ecosystem. So and all these cases fit nice and snug. There is no play in between the phone and the case. The case is just grasping and grabbing your phone as it should. You got plenty of lip protection here. That's why I love these Speck cases. You have a tremendous amount of lip protection, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its face down on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up your screen, and you can rock a tempered glass screen protector, and even with the tempered glass screen protector you will have a lot of lip left. The buttons are nice and 100% covered and a different color. They're an accent, but they're nice and tactile, very responsive. The mute slider easily accessible, no issues there, as well as the power button. The cutouts are nice and precise, no issues with the mic, charging port, and speaker there. Plenty of room around the charging port if you want to go ahead and charge that way, but this is MagSafe friendly, so you are going to be able to charge wirelessly through the case, and you are going to be able to utilize all your devices in the MagSafe ecosystem. You do have a Speck branding there on the top right corner, but this is the grip, and you do have a tremendous amount of grip. You got grip lines everywhere, on the left side, on the side of the case, on the right side of the case, on the back. So this bad boy is not going anywhere from your hand. It feels nice in touch. It adds no bulk there, and you do got lip protection there as well on the back. I forgot to mention that. So you are protected as well as the front and the back. When you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, you're not going to scratch up those camera lenses. Let me go ahead and clean this, because my fingerprints are getting up this dummy phone all nasty. But with that being said, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Link to this case will be in the description of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.